In this video tutorial, we will look at the records available in the architecture database. We explore additional properties relevant to architecture and the built environment, including structural sections. Let's open CES EduPack and choose the architecture database. On the home page, we can see that, by default, we're in the material universe. You can navigate through other tables, such as the process universe, references, producers, and structural sections. Let's choose structural sections to begin with. This opens the left panel. This table gives you access to properties and over 1,800 structural sections. Let's go back to the material universe by clicking here. Note that the subsets on the home page, as well as the tree structure in the left panel, have changed. By default, the All Architecture subset is selected, but you could also focus on materials relating to enclosures, interiors, services, and superstructures. So, let's browse to a record. For example, concrete. Notice that in this database there are 7 different types. Let's look at dense concrete. You can see an image showing the use of the material relating to architecture. Then the material and its composition are described. We then have access to general properties, the form the material takes, and the systems it can be applied to. The mechanical properties, including bending modulus and bending strength, thermal and combustion properties, are listed below. Hygrothermal, electrical and optical properties are shown here. The record also gives the natural color of the material for aesthetic considerations, the critical materials risk, and the acoustic properties, which are especially important for architecture and the built environment. The record also includes processability and durability data, followed by environmental data such as embodied energy and carbon footprint. The record ends with material processing and recycling information. Supporting information such as design guidelines, technical notes, and typical uses, as well as related standards, is situated at the bottom of the record. Also, you can find links to the processes that apply to this material, producers who manufacture it, and find out where the material data comes from following the reference link. Further information about architecture and the built environment can be found on our website. In the following video tutorials, you can see how to use the other advanced databases and tools available in CES EduPack.